Hello guys, so today I am gonna make cake. So we have flour, we have eggs, we have milk, and we have butter. So let's start. So first we're gonna start with egg. Here is the egg coming. That's a little bit messy, but we got it. Okay, and then we're gonna do the other egg. Oh. So then I'm gonna add the milk and then the butter. So let's start off with the milk. And then we're gonna do the butter. And then we're gonna mix. Mixing. It's blending in together. Okay, so now I'm done mixing it. So now we're gonna add it inside of it. Look how delicious it looks. There's lots of them. We need more. Okay, now I'm done pouring it in this. So now we're gonna pour these on top of it. You need a little bit more, probably a lot. It's looking good so far. Okay, that's what's the bit you have to put it in. Do I put a little bit more? So? Okay, so now we're gonna put it in the oven.
A few moments later.
So it's been a while, it's ready, and it has been cooled down. So this is how you open it. This looks so yummy. Trying to cut it. Be careful when you're cutting. And there's the cake. Now I'm gonna put it in the plate. It needs a little bit of more cut. And now we place it like that. Get the plate. Oh. Okay, maybe I should do it with my hands. And look how it looks. It's so yummy. Can't wait to try. Bye guys. Have a great day.